You got to know when to hold 'em.
Everybody now.
Know when to fold 'em. Know when to walk away.
Who's run a reality show that you're like, wow, their life has gotten a lot better ever since?
Scott Didzik?
Sir Scott Disney.
Whatever his name is.
He put a sir in front of it. Just go ahead and slide up in those DMs. Katy Perry, I'm pretty sure she would have let you right in, have a little conversation, establish that. Obi, what we talk about? Networking? There's nothing wrong with having friends.
So hold up, you had on the headband, probably had on the rec specs, the shorts up to here, the wristbands.
Hey, I had to look the part. When you say look good, feel good, play good, eat good, pay good, yeah, all that stuff.
You didn't look good, so you didn't play good.
How about you and your friends get with me and my friends, and we can be friends? We can do this every weekend, all right?
Roll P, you like this idea about Marshawn?
No, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Because I love
hit
this.
us
I'm
with a
in
haymaker.
love with the beast mode. Hey, you gotta hang it up. Now I know he's one of the only active goalies, one of 3 active goalies that has over 300 wins. Number 18 all-time in wins as far as goalies goes, but I mean, he was a 500 goalie last season for the Islanders. Take a note from Martin Brodeur, one of the best that we've ever seen. Tried to come back, didn't necessarily work so well. Go ahead, hang him up. Get ready for the second half of your life. You have to outsmart the NFL. We all know that the NFL is a cash cow, brings in a ton of money. We know what, $9-10 million annually. So Marshawn Lynch realizes that, okay, you guys are finding me, you're doing this and that. Well, how about this? How about I take my brand, Beast Mode, make a deal with New Era, who is the official hat of the NFL. We merge, we come together, and we make a deal. Can we shake hands on that? That's what we did.
He's not necessarily that old. He's only been in the league 8 years. He's still
One was that old
classified.
either.
He's still classified as one of the best in the game. He did make All-Pro this season. Yes, he is due $20 million. I think what's going to happen is the Patriots don't want to let him go. I know they're known for letting guys go, but that's usually when they're clearly closer to the end. He's not anywhere close to the end at this point.
That's why they brought in Coach Strauss, because defense is his calling card, and they're now playing as a team. They have an identity right now. And you talk about Alex, those are some great stats, but he's finally for the first time in his career, he's a plus player. We haven't seen that because usually he's in the negative. So they've initiated this West Coast style of hockey, and we've seen that's been very successful. We've seen teams win with that. Look at what the LA Kings did. They changed their whole style, went from the East Coast brand to the West Coast. So I think that the Capitals will have success in the postseason for the first time in a long time.